Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a very unique experience when it comes to exercise? Or maybe you want to add something in at the end of your exercise routine. This vibration plate by Kayleigh is going to give you a unique experience. The machine itself is easy to use. It has an on-off button right on the plate, or it comes with a remote control. Then you can control everything with the remote, including a timer and the speed of the vibration as you're using the machine. The machine also connects to your radio if you want to make time go by a little bit faster. They also included 2 armbands that hook to the sides. Now I find that there's 2 benefits for these. The armbands are nice and secure, and you can do some arm exercise and some squats, which will alter the effect of the machine itself. You can also use the armbands just to maintain some balance while you're using the machine. The machine starts by giving you that vibration feeling in your legs, up to your waist, and eventually I can feel it all the way up to my shoulders and even into my neck. I really think that this is very interesting because I've noticed a couple of things after I use the machine. For one thing, if I feel really sore, after I use the machine, I definitely can feel a difference after using it, even just 10 minutes a day for a few days. I also find that the machine helps me to feel like I'm getting a little bit of detoxing. The machine definitely feels nice and secure while you're using it, and I really love that it is really easy to operate, and everything that you can see on the panel lets you know what you're doing. If you're looking for that really unique experience to add into your exercise routine, definitely check this one out. And that's my point of view.